It occupies the northern third of the island of Great Britain and shares a border with England to the south. Scotland has a rich history, distinct culture, and stunning landscapes, making it a popular destination for tourists. Here are some key points about Scotland. 1. Capital. The capital city of Scotland is Edinburgh, known for its historic architecture, including the famous Edinburgh Castle and the Royal Mile. The largest city in Scotland is Glasgow, renowned for its vibrant cultural scene, Victorian architecture, and thriving music and arts scene. The official languages of Scotland are English and Scottish Gaelic. English is widely spoken throughout the country, while Scottish Gaelic is primarily spoken in the Highlands and Islands. The currency used in Scotland is the British pound sterling, PS. Scotland has its own devolved government within the UK. The Scottish Parliament, located in Edinburgh, has the power to legislate on various issues such as education, health, and transportation, while defence and foreign affairs are handled by the UK government. In Scotland held a referendum on independence from the UK in September 2014, in which the majority voted to remain part of the UK. However, the topic of Scottish independence remains a significant issue in Scottish politics. Scotland is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, including rugged mountains, stunning lochs, lakes, picturesque valleys, and scenic coastlines. Some famous landmarks include Ben Nevis, the highest mountain in the UK, Loch Ness, known for the legendary Loch Ness Monster, and the Isle of Skye. Scotland hosts various festivals throughout the year, such as the Edinburgh Festival Fringe, the world's largest arts festival, the Edinburgh International Festival, and the Highland Games, where traditional Scottish sports and cultural events take place. Scotland is famous for its whisky production. Distilleries can be found across the country, and Scotch whisky is internationally recognized for its quality and variety. Scotland is known for its traditional clothing and musical instruments. Tartan, a pattern fabric representing different clans and regions, is widely associated with Scottish heritage. Bagpipes, a traditional Scottish instrument, are often played during ceremonies and events. These points provide a brief overview of Scotland, but there is much more to discover.